So we decided to take a double zero because Anu, his tummy hurts. And Jaden's doing fine, but he would like to be Chaz for one more day. Parks is doing fine. My ankles...
is fine, but Chaz is hangover.
Then you should have had you guys stay at our place.
We're back on trail, and Chaz decided to join us over there. We got a ride from one of my past students' father. So thank you, Tommy. Thank you to the Queries for the hitch. That was great. We've got like 5 miles left of the West Collegiate, and then we hear there's a little cabin on the trail that's just a free-for-all, so we're gonna try and spend the night there. And Scooter has his stick and poke tattoo kit, and we might take advantage of that, so let's do this. It's good to be back.
Birds. My girlfriend at the time was a vet tech, and I found like another bird, and I hit it with my car, and I thought I killed that fool, but I didn't.
We are back on trail, and it feels so good. My ankles feel a lot better, but I can still tell they're pretty tender. But I went to the running store and talked to the guy for a while, and he thinks it's just my body adjusting. He didn't think I needed like an ankle brace or anything. But I got some KT tape, so they're all taped up. I think it's helping. But yeah, they're doing a lot better. My blisters are doing a lot better. I'm just trying to take it easy today. Trail magic!
We can certainly
Yay!
7 miles away from you.
They know exactly what we need.
It is too much for you. Oh, we did.
We found our log cabin.
Has been very quiet.
Until right now.
Literally right now.
Yep. We're sleeping here tonight. We even have a stove. Whew.
He was the only other person besides you I was running some ride runs with, so he asked me the same thing, and he was just like, no one else is doing it.
Yeah, I mean, kind of that.
It's been crazy. This has been crazy. It's been wild. So many plots for us. No can.
Chaz ate all of his Chaz mix, which was basically all candy, ate the whole bag last night, threw up over there, and now the birds are eating it. Best night's sleep ever! I wish we could take a zero here. Good times, right? So, just a little trail update. Oh God, I'm so tired of tripping. Anyways, I got my trail name. Sparrow named me Peach because I'm a Southern Peach, even though I'm from Chicago. People have been calling Parks Papa. Don't know why, but it just stuck. So it's now Peach and Papa, or Papa and Peach. We camped at mile like 270 yesterday. We're officially done with the West Collegiate route. We only had like 5 miles left once we got back on trail. We plan on being out here for at least 100 miles without any stops. Next stop is Lake City, so we will resupply there in about 4 or 5 days. So our packs are really heavy right now. And yeah, that's just a little trail update. My ankles, they're at like 75%. I've been elevating them, icing them. Trail Angel gave me ice yesterday, so that was nice. And then I've just been wrapping them. And then I take ibuprofen in the morning. That helps a lot, so that's good. We're supposed to do 22 miles today. We're going to be camping at a lake, an alpine lake, and so that's the goal. So yeah. So we are approaching a much drier section of the trail. So before we would have a water source every like 3 miles, but now we're like pushing 12, 13, 14, 15 miles before our next water source. And so basically how we do the math, I'm able to carry up to 4 liters of water. Yeah, 4 I think. And so my smart water bottles, which are back here, that's 1 liter. 1 liter can last me 5 miles. So if I know that, you know, there's a 12-mile stretch, then I think, okay, I could get away with 2 liters of water. But I hear it's just going to get even harder to get water in the further down the trail, so I might have to start using my CNOC bag, which I've only used once this whole time. But that will allow me to carry up to 4 liters. So that's just kind of like the trail math that you do in your head while you're walking. Also, we want to carry the least amount of water as possible, because 1 liter of water adds 2.2 pounds to your pack, which means if you have 4 liters, that's like 8-9 pounds. It's a lot. It is a lot. So yeah, we try and kind of push the limits as much as possible with the least amount of water we can carry. So it's a game of chicken sometimes. I knew at some point there's gonna be cows on the trail. The time has finally come. I'm not really sure how to approach an aggressive cow. When Karate Kid has his headphones in, there's a 99% chance he's watching The Simpsons. And now they're watching it together. I just want to take a second to voice my extreme hatred for hiking on trails that look like this. These rocks kill your ankles, your hips. You can't look around because you have to look down to make sure you don't trip. It sucks. I hate it. That's all. So I know that we are hiking with a tramily of like 8. So you'd think that I wouldn't have a ton of alone time, especially since I'm hiking with Parks as well. But this is what my view looks like 90% of the time. I'm completely by myself. We're all probably like 5 minutes apart. We just all go at our own pace. So yeah, a lot of the times I'm alone, and it's very much an independent journey. Like, I know Parks and I are doing it together, but this is kind of, we get to make this walk our own, and we're both learning a ton of different lessons, and it's impacting us in different ways, and we love to share that with each other at the end of the day. Just our takeaways from the trail, and a lot of the times they're completely different. just kind of a beautiful thing. It's a pretty sunset tonight, right boys?
It is.
His Achilles tendon hurts.
Just about to be 22 miles in, baby.
It is the morning of day 25. In just a few short miles, we're going to hit 300. We did 24 yesterday. That's a new high. Feel great. And I think we're going to go for 20 today. So I feel like a big mile hiker now. It's pretty cool. How you feel, Parks?
Not bad, actually.
Really?
My Achilles tendon is doing good as I walk, nice and briskly or slowly. I don't know. Whatever
His
the speed is.
he woke up this morning with his Achilles very, very swollen. We're just taking turns with pains and aches. Now it's his turn. I'm done.
It's not that bad. It's alright.
Are you still enjoying yourself?
Heck yeah.
Okay.
That'll be here sitting by Bob.
So some of y'all have asked what we eat in a typical day, and so I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all our diet on trail. It's really hard to eat more than like 2,500 calories in a day when you're carrying all your food and, you know, rationing it so it lasts 5-6 days. So, I mean, when I weighed myself in Salida, I had already lost 12 pounds. And we're burning like 5, 6, 7,000 calories a day. So it's almost impossible to keep up your weight. But we try and eat as much as possible, and it's funny, it's like the things you crave on trail is usually like fruits, vegetables. You're just so tired of eating anything that's sweet. Like, I'm just about had it with Lar bars. And like candy just does not sound appealing at all, even though it packs a lot of calories. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys what we typically eat in a day. So this is what we eat in like a typical morning. We have a bowl, or a jar of oatmeal, and I added a little bit of powdered milk, and then we always have coffee in the morning, and then I also add this for some extra calories, protein, and flavor for coffee. Breakfast number 2. This has fruits and vegetables, 60 calories. I usually eat one of these at around 10:30. Breakfast number 3. I'm so tired of eating these. And lunch.
This is
Pizza pocket. Snack between lunch and dinner. And for dinner, chow mein noodles with sriracha. Cheese and Nutella.
Well, is that actually good? These are good. This is amazing. I'm looking forward to
It's delicious. When you hike with the same people every day, you start recognizing their shoe prints. That's Karate Kid. That's New. Right there is Scooter. And that is Sam. So, we're hiking through another dry stretch. I have like this much water left to last me 3.5 miles. and I'm so thirsty, and it's taking everything in my willpower to not just chug that last bit of water. Like, my mind is already playing games. Like, I keep thinking I'm hearing a stream somewhere, or I just like imagine just chugging a whole liter of water. I'm so incredibly thirsty. So let's hope I get some water soon. I'm doing it. I have like 2 miles to go. And supposedly it's all downhill. So I'm gonna drink this and pray that it does not screw me over. The Lord provides in mysterious ways. Oh, whoever did this is a lifesaver. And look! What is it?
300 miles.
Yeah, cheers! This day just got a lot better. This is called a hiker tan. A mixture of tan and dirt. Scooter's about to give me a stick and poke tattoo with this view.
America. Here we are.
I'm getting a tattoo.
No,
Chaz wants a tat. What would you get it of?
Colorado Trail. Simple.
No, bro, wait till the morning.
That doesn't sound like a Chaz tattoo.
My ex-girlfriend Lisa.
What?
I mean, I can finish it. I'm saying I don't want to. It's like I want to enjoy every bite of it.
God, I want like 800 calorie bites, bro.
Beautiful sunrise. Beautiful breakfast. It was a cold one, but check that out. Scooter did awesome. Peach for my trail name. I'll remember this forever.
Let me see.
It's the morning of day 26, and we are starting our 30-mile day, and I'm very nervous. I prayed a lot already that I would receive the Lord's strength to get me through this day. Let's see how it goes. Not the best start to the day. I lost my one of my Crocs, and I just keep losing stuff. I've already lost my headlamp, and Parks got frustrated with me because I keep losing stuff like I'm purposely doing it. Well, Karate Kid found my shoe. Parks apologized. I apologized. And now it's sunshine and rainbows again. It's crazy. I literally experienced every emotion in like 15 minutes. That's just, this trail just drives you a little mad sometimes. Almost stepped on this guy. Get off trail, bud.
Get away from me.
Parks doesn't like snakes. Be safe. Whoa, 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 snakes! So, the trail really strips you down, and after 300 and something miles, you just kind of really confront just like your inner demons, I guess. And you do a lot of processing, and sometimes you have to confront things that make you uncomfortable, or just, it's a lot of soul searching. And I think after hiking for 26 days, a lot of things have come to a head that just makes me realize I really need to love myself better. I can be so mean to myself. And when I can't love myself properly, I can't love others properly. just realizing, like, yes, I struggle. Yes, I wrestle with my faith, and I have a lot of questions, and I think this walk made me realize that, like, God loves me anyways. And I understand. He understands that I'm not perfect, but yet he still views me as perfect. And I need to start loving myself the way that God loves me. It's really pretty. It is really dry out here and very exposed. Not a ton of water sources around. And if there is a water source, there always seems to be a cow pie in it. It's rough out here. I had to take my shirt off because it's so hot. And we've got 5 more miles of completely exposed terrain, so working on my tan. This is literally our water source, and only water source for the next 7 miles. It's literally a cow trail. Cow pie right there, cow pie right there, cow pie right there. I'm gonna like triple filter this water. We probably have about 10 miles left. My feet are really, really, really tired. And it's gonna take everything in me to do 30 today. How many more miles left?
Less than 8.
Oh my gosh. Yes.
I don't want wet feet.
I don't either. It's a gnarly water crossing. He's good at everything, so let's see how he does. He's got it. I'm gonna fall in though. There's literally cows on the trail and I'm not really sure what to do. So I'm making Parks go first. It's okay. Gosh. Parks, there's babies. I'm not really sure what to do right now.